As Leopold sat listening, the music he heard defied convention. There's a new confidence here, which you hear right from the start, this incredible, audacious and weird opening. Normally when a composer starts a piece of music, he lays out his stall with the big tune, but this is a non-tune, shows supreme command. The entry of the second theme comes as a real surprise. We've been here, then new key, and now he ratchets up the harmony, raising the blood pressure. Another remarkable thing about this concerto is the writing for the woodwind. They too have achieved emancipation, a sense of liberation. Listen here to this real dialogue between the oboe and the piano. There's a great childlike simplicity to this theme which opens the second movement of the D minor. It's of the nursery, but laced with nostalgia. It's like an adult looking back at their childhood, and that sense you have as a child of placing yourself completely in the arms and the love of your protector, your father. As ever with Mozart, there's a contrast. The floor falls away from the nursery and we're suddenly in a nightmare, a tantrum, a huge conflict between the orchestra and the soloist, between father and son, neither prepared to give way, a realization perhaps of just how far Wolfgang and Leopold's relationship had moved apart. and colour saturates the third movement of the D minor. Mozart working at a white heat of compositional complexity. Here he is, decades ahead of his time. To me, this has all the torment, fire and passion of the greatest composer of the next generation, Beethoven. It's extraordinary just how much Mozart can make the piano and all his mature music echo our lives. He plumbs the depths of his own experiences, both great and tragic, and has to write music which expresses it. As such, I believe he is the first great musical romantic.
The concert was magnificent. I had the great pleasure of hearing so clearly all the interplay of the instruments that from sheer delight tears came into my eyes. When he left the platform, the Emperor called out, "Bravo,